got so motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. I got 3 old thoughts on the block.
All right, we are on the record matter of Justin Carlton, 24416. All right, and Mr. Shumke?
I'm sorry, my name's Justin Carlton.
Yes, I know that. I was just getting your attorney's first. So, counsel?
Yes, good afternoon, or good morning, Your Honor. Christopher Shemke, appearing on behalf of my client. This time we consent to the matter being heard via Zoom. As the arraignment, we waive formal reading. My client stands mute.
All right, and sir, your name for the record, please.
Justin Carlton.
All right, and Mr. Carlton's in custody from a warrant that was issued for Mr. Carlton's failure to appear for probation violation hearing back in September 9th of 24. And that probation violation hearing was scheduled because Mr. Carlton failed to appear for his instruction twice so that he could begin probation. And so, counsel, what's happening today?
Your Honor, Judge, I'd ask that we set the matter down for a violation hearing. I don't want to be sentenced today. I saw what the recommendations are in their 90 days. I just wanted to address his bond. I know that he does have some very positive things working for him. Certainly, he was apologetic for not making the arrangements last year. He's a single father of a 2-year-old. He also has a 7-year-old daughter that he sees and is very active with. And in fact, he has an interview today with the chemical property in Belleville at 1 p.m. I saw the recommendations. I know that those recommendations are based on where he was last year. I just would like the court to be made aware of where he is now, and potentially they can consider an alternative admonishment. So at this point, we're asking that the matter be set down for a violation probation hearing.
Okay, well, we're looking at July 23rd for a hearing. July 21st.
Judge, and it's directly going to be correlated with the potential consideration for bond. I saw that, what the recommendation was for the probation to be closed out and for him to do jail. Judge, in this circumstance with the potential job opportunity looming, especially, I've been made to believe that it would be extremely helpful for his family. Currently, his house is in foreclosure. We'd ask any leniency this court consider. Obviously, I do believe that at the court proceeding, he'll not be asking for the hearing, and he's not going to contest that he didn't make it. So if we could enter into the plea today regarding the violation and set it out for the sentencing so the court can be made aware. I just don't want him sitting in there. My entire avenue is to demonstrate where he's at now, but I'm never going to have a hearing in which he contests that he actually went, because that will not be the circumstances.
Okay, so Mr. Carlton, where have you been other than ghosting the 27th District Court?
Been taking care of my 2 children the best I can, looking for a job. I don't have a vehicle right now, but the girlfriend does. And I got an interview today.
Sir, how is it that you're in custody today?
I was sitting in the car with the girlfriend in CVS parking lot, and somebody, Wyandotte PD, stopped in front of us, and I guess recognized me. I don't know how, and that's how.
Sir, if you test right now, what is in your system?
Me? I'm clean.
So nothing would show up in your system?
No.
And what happened with your matter in 36th District Court from your interlock device violation?
I wasn't able to make that. It's like on a vehicle that's somewhere downtown. I haven't had a job in a while. I had no money. a daughter that was in school, one that wasn't, my 2-year-old son, he'll be, 3 on the 19th this month. And, situations with the girlfriend are rocky, it's hard to accomplish anything. And this job right here today that I was, the interview was, that would have set me.
Sir, why is it hard to accomplish anything?
I'm sorry?
You just said it's hard to accomplish anything. Why is that the case?
I
Why
got
do
the
you
case.
think it's hard to accomplish anything?
With having 2 children, under my. I don't have any help from my mother. I don't have any help from my family because I have no family. It's just me and my children and my girlfriend that, we butt heads a lot and it's hard to accomplish. It's hard to do anything when we're not on the same page. It's got everything going against me right now. And just sitting in a parking lot last night and it ruined my chances for this potential job. It goes to show like that. I don't know. I can't break.
You were supposed to have reported back in July. This court gave you an opportunity. First of all, you had a possession charge, and it was amended to a possession of drug paraphernalia charge. And then this court gave you the benefit of the doubt and placed you on probation, despite having a criminal history that involves controlled substance and alcohol. So, I'm not quite sure, and then you were supposed to have been starting BEGGS products back in July of 24.
Yes.
Did you start that job, sir?
That job, I was offered the job. I got the offer letter. The situation, it was kind of
Stop. My question is a simple yes or no. Did you start that job at BEGGS products back in July of 24? Yes or no?
No, I did not.
Okay, so sir, you seem to be getting in your own way of not being able to accomplish things. And now you are in custody after you and your girlfriend were sitting in a parking lot where there's known narcotics history or activity, I should say. So
I was there to put money onto my casino at my $8 that I had. I'm sorry.
Excuse me. Further, you have yet to clear up your warrant out of the 36th District Court, which this court instructed you to do as well. And
I'm going to lose my children.
I'm sorry?
I'm going to lose my children if I can't make it.
If you can't make it where?
If I stay in here, I'm gonna lose my children. They have nowhere to go. They have nobody to watch them. I'm gonna lose my children.
Sir, then you should make sure that your warrants are cleared up so that you don't get arrested and you can take care of your children. And you should also make sure that you have a job so you can take care of your children, because I'm not sure who's been supporting you and your children over the last 12 months. Whose car were you in? Is it your car?
That was the girlfriend's car.
Well, did the two of you at some point get into a fight? And you may have had a car, because that's why the police were chatting with you regarding your report of the vehicle. Essentially not with somebody that's authorized to use it.
That was days prior. And we had already established that with the Southgate police.
Okay,
And
well, just letting you know, sir, that was why you had contact, not because they would just recognize you.
Also, so I was still a suspect at that point in time yesterday.
Well, I don't know, I mean, that's what, I'm just looking at the police report, and,
So they could stop whoever whenever they want.
and apparently they found something in your possession with you and the girlfriend. Your girlfriend's name is Caitlin?
Yes.
Well, sir, here's the thing, right? I'm hearing that you have an interview, I'm hearing that you have a job when I sentenced you. You didn't start that job, you haven't been working, when's the last time you worked, sir?
It's been over a year.
A year. So how are you supporting yourself and your children without any income?
Donating plasma, any odd job that I can find. I've been plugging away. I could show you on my phone my interview today. I could show you the confirmation. I can promise you that. I'm not lying about it. It's been a struggle. Food pantries. It's been sad. It's pretty pathetic.
Okay, but I can also assure you, sir, that when there's drugs involved, it makes it even more difficult. So, what I'm going to order is I'm going to order based upon Mr. Carlton's failure to appear at this court, for his probation instructions in July of 24, then with the rescheduled date of August 21st of 24, failing to contact the court, stating any communication with the court, having a pending warrant out of the 36th District Court that he failed to clear up as well. And given that Mr. Carlton's not currently working, and the court has some serious concerns for Mr. Carlton's ability to reappear in court, the court's going to order a $3,500 10% bond. In the event you post bonds, you're gonna have to be released without a GPS tether through Wayne County Jail. You're not to possess or consume any alcohol or drugs unless prescribed. Maybe you can have your girlfriend contact you this job that you have this interview at and see if you can get it rescheduled. And counsel, I have okay. Is your client able to participate in the probation violation hearing on Thursday? Otherwise, it's going to be the 9th with a different judge.
Judge, I know that my client is eager to do whatever he can to put himself in a favorable position with the court. I'm not sure if he'll be able to post the bond, so I certainly don't want to put him in an avenue that would delay his process further. So we are at the behest of the court in any way to be cooperative and speed up this process.
Okay, so do you want July 3rd then for the hearing date?
I would think the sooner the better. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. We can do that at 10:15 a.m.
With the knowledge that would go to the next MIDC individuals. I'm not available that day, but okay.
Correct.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. We'll see you back on Thursday, sir.